Welcome to another renovation update. I'm Rocky Peterson. I'm here at Venture on Elden here in Flagstaff, and I have to say, I could not be happier about driving up here to get out of the heat. And as I rolled up, this street is so quiet. It's close to downtown, but it is kind of tucked away. And then when I rolled up, I saw the brand new paint on the exterior. We did it the right way, scraping off the old paint. It looks brand new, it looks fresh. Residents love it. People in the neighborhood are already commenting on it. We couldn't be happier with how it turned out. It's a unique color, different from our color palette in the valley, which I feel like is totally suitable for here in Flagstaff. We want it to look different. And as excited as I am about the exteriors and how well it's turning out, I'm even more excited about the interiors. So we're gonna take a peek back at what it looks like, because next week our crew is up here. They're gonna be slamming it on floors, cabinets, hardware, fixtures, paint. It's gonna look beautiful. But we'll take a peek at what it looks like before. So I know what you might be thinking. It's such an ugly kitchen. And I have to say, I love an ugly kitchen because there's nothing more satisfying than replacing cabinets, countertops, hardware, fixtures to make it really beautiful and to make it ultimately really functional. So the exteriors look great. But this area here is actually where we've allocated for the air conditioners. And it'll allow us also not only to be able to hide the air conditioning units, but also be able to add private patios. So not only are we going to be able to add value with the air conditioning, but also the private patios, again, increasing that value, increasing the function, increasing rents. Thank you so much for following along. I'm Rocky Peterson. I love coming up here to beautiful Flagstaff, where the apples are literally falling from the trees on this property. This has been another Neighborhood Ventures renovation.